Come on, Netflix. Really? Scene, rubbish, trash, really trash, dynasty level trash, pretty good, fucking, fucking nothing to watch these days, man. Either comes out on a Friday, or it's on Amazon, or HBO. Bucket this. I think I'm gonna go eat something. Oh, I think I've got some spicy chicken in the freezer. Let me just go check. And what do I have here? Oh, yeah! I forgot about you guys. Let's try it. And now it's time to try this out. Now, while I wait for these to cool down, they've just come out the oven. The last time I did one of these sort of videos was for the, what was it, the Carolina Reaper curry. That's right, the takeaway number 999 from Iceland. And that was actually quite a hot curry. I have to note that in that video, there is a large, pepper in it, or chili in it. Apparently it's actually not the Carolina Reaper chili, so I'm quite surprised that they even put it in there, but it was pretty damn hot anyway, nonetheless. So this stuff over here is also from the same store. This is from Iceland. This is a pre-frozen meal. You get about just under a kilogram, I think about 750 grams of chicken for about £3, which is not too bad at all. And this also claims to be as hot as hell. It even has a warning on it, which I'm pretty sure is just advertising. Now, I don't have the strongest mouth in the world when it comes to eating chilies. I'll probably get there someday or other. So I've got myself a glass of cider, just in case things get a little bit crazy. And yeah, I'm hoping that this is going to be, it'll be tastier than it is just hot. So yeah, making sure I'm not going to touch my eyes after this. They smell very strong, I'll give you that. It sort of triggers that sort of watery, mouthy thing at the back of your, at the back of your gums or jaws or whatever the hell. I'm not really thinking or speaking properly because I'm kind of scared about this. So yeah, let's try it out. Okay. At least I cooked them well. Okay, I'm sure you enjoyed the chewing sounds. I'll try and see if I can edit that quickly. Okay, at first you don't taste a thing, of course. Well, actually the chicken's quite nice, well cooked, and yeah, it's got a nice taste to it. It's very, very warm. I don't think it's as hot as the last one, but I said that last time, and about a minute later, my face was on fire. This is definitely got a kick to it. It's probably the hottest that I've bought, sort of pre-bought. Not pre-bought, sorry, I'm not thinking. It's probably the warmest pre-cooked thing that I've bought from a store. You know, you can buy things from Sainsbury's, you can buy things from Tesco's, etc. But this is definitely the hottest. I mean, I've bought peri-peri before. It doesn't come anywhere near this. It's a nice warmth. It definitely is a nice warmth. Very, very warm, as I say. I don't actually know what the scoves are on this, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's about, I don't know, 700, maybe 500,000 to 700,000. It's not the hottest in the world, but it is rather nice. So yeah, like I said, the other one was very, very warm. This is just very warm. I'd say this is about a sort of, I don't know, a 6 out of 10 compared to the other one, which I would have given like a 7 out of 10. Can't even remember actually. I would actually eat this entire plate, totally. Not the entire plate, of course, the chicken on the plate. And I don't know, I mean, it's not really that warm. This would go quite nice with some extra chili on top, you know, if like they want to show they add a dab on top of it. But yeah, actually a really, really nice chicken wing, or chicken, you know, breadcrumbed chicken to enjoy. And it's definitely not going to blow your damn head off. So yeah, very nice.